Let's take a look at entering grades and speed grader. So I'm going to click on grades. And if you're going to be manually entering grades, then you can click on the column. These are the group columns, so you can't change these. But here are the assignment columns. So all you have to do to enter a grade is click here and then enter the grade and click out. Now if you have a student who submits an assignment This is what it looks like when you have a student who has submitted the assignment. In this case, you would click here and click on this arrow and then open the speed grader. And in the speed grader, you can use these annotation tips to provide comments. So you can do some little annotations, and here's text. And so you would enter any grades that you want to enter here. You can also record yourself giving some video feedback of that assignment here. If you are doing any grading outside of Canvas with a Word document or a PDF, you can attach it here. And then you want to enter the grade here. And it automatically should submit, but if you put any comments, make sure you hit submit. And then what you'll do is click on this icon to go back to the gradebook, and there it is. So, and if it's just a manual submission where the students are handing something to you in person and you're grading it in person and not online, then you can just click here and put in the grade. So that's how you enter grades in your gradebook.